Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a chart in Google Sheets app. Alright, let's get started. Here I have my Google Sheet opened and I have created a table that I want to make it as chart, and I'm just going to select this table. We can tap and hold on the table like this and we can drag it. After that, we can click on this plus button, and there will be several options for us, and we gotta choose chart to create a chart. Alright, and this is the chart, and if we want to change the type of the chart, we can simply click on this option, and I'm just going to choose the line chart right here. Alright, and if we want to change the title of the chart, we can simply click on titles and click on chart title, and I'm going to write income per month. Then we're gonna click on update title to update the title. Alright, so okay guys, that's how we can make a chart on Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.